2, 1. Stop. Hi! One of the biggest problems that we get is with these skates. Now here we're going to show you how to clean bearings and so much more. Come with me! This is Clean Skates! Hi! So, cleaning your skates needs a few steps. First of all, you need to take apart those skates. After that, you need to take apart the wheels, you get the bearings. And then, after that, you need to clean the bearings, clean the skates, and then assemble it back together. Now we're going to show you step by step how to do just that. To dismantle your skates, what you need are tools. These are the tools most commonly used to open inline skates. To open your wheels, use a 4mm T-wrench. Just rotate them counterclockwise and it should come up pretty easy. If you want, you can also use a simple version, these little gadgets. For hard to open axles, I would suggest to use this tool. Now what it does is it modifies the kinetic energy of the hammer into rotation so you don't damage the axle. Now ain't that cool? The same goes for the frame. Now if it uses a different key, just go to your local hardware store and they will help you out. Good. All you need to do is take it up and there you can take out the line. So, skate, liner, frames, wheels, bearings, and axles. That's basically the whole skate. On to taking apart the bearings from the wheel. Well, what you need is this. A smaller part of your T that is able to put inside and then push so the bearing pops out. Beware, this is a plastic spacer. It can easily snap and not many have spare parts out there. So please be very cautious when dealing with these kind of spacers. Now taking this out is easy. Do not push from the inside, you might damage the bearing. What you do is that you put it inside and then you slowly pull it out. This way, your bearing stays intact and so does your hub. So this is the best way to take out your bearing. Okay. Second system is the spacer that seals in the bearings. Now there's also a spacer inside, same thing, just pull it out. Usually skates have all one system. Same here, even with the speed skates. There you go. This has a wing spacer for speed skates. And if you take a look, there. This is the type of bearing that one side is open and one side is closed. Compared to this, both are actually closed. Okay? So what this means is that you are able to clean this much better. And there's a way to get the bearing to look like this. And it's called taking out the C-ring. So what you need is a needle, and then you've got your There we go. C pops just right out, and all you have to do next is just, and there you go, an open bearing. See? Now you can clean your bearings easier, but be careful. This type are very difficult to take out. This I would not recommend to take out and just clean them as it is. Here, these type of bearings are the best to clean. Now let's go clean some wheels and some bearings.